नमो विष्णु पदाय कृष्ण पश्चाया भूतले श्रीमते भक्ति वेदांत स्वामी इति नामने नामस्ते सरस्वती देवे गौरवाणी पचारने निर्विशेषा शून्यवादी पाचचा देशारने. Hare Krishna. So wonderful, blessed news from Karachi, Pakistan, that with the causeless mercy of my dearest, blessed, merciful Guru, A.C. Bhakti Vedanta Swami Sri Prabhupada, bringing Sri Sri Radha Gopinatha is coming to Karachi, and their installation is this week. Very blissful news. Congratulations and welcome, swagatam, Sri Sri Radha Gopinath. Thank you, Srila Prabhupada, for your causeless mercy for bringing Radha Gopinath to Karachi, Pakistan. All the best of best wishes with blessing to all the devotees of Karachi, Pakistan. Now you have Radha Gopinath residing there to bestow the causeless mercy. So please serve them with your utmost capacity. Nice dresses, garland, nice jewelry, and lot of devotion and love. Give lots of butter to Gopinath and sweet sugar misri to Radharani. We are very happy for Karachi Yatra. Now, as predicted, Harinam and Krishna consciousness is going all over the world. Please follow Srila Prabhupada's instructions, serve the deity nicely, distribute Srila Prabhupada's books, and preach. Your servant, Subalvilas Das, Toronto, Canada.